what's that? I heard it, yeah, it's burning, yeah.
Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to the channel. And then if you haven't already checked out our new merch drop, please go check it out. It was in the previous video. I'll just add some videos to this video as well as some information in the description as to how you guys can order yourself some merch as well as the pricing as well. And then in today's video we're just going to do a few mods to the EG. Not much really, in actual fact. I got again busy after actually installing the harness and ended up actually doing nothing to the EG once again. However, for now we're just going to do a few odds and ends. One of the things that I do need to do is I do need to clean up my interior a little bit. We're doing clean up underneath the seats. So I'm actually going to remove the seat and then have it cleaned out at the bottom, the carpets. A friend of mine, GARTH, actually recently bought himself one of these cool vacuums. So he will be assisting me with actually cleaning up the interior. I'll just leave his information in the description below as well, as he is also doing this as a business as well. So you guys can contact him as well. And then also, I was planning on doing a few things to the EG, but I am on a little bit of a time crunch. I didn't even manage to wash the car. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try to find a car wash open and I'll have the car washed. But yeah, for today, I'm gonna remove the seat in the meanwhile while I wait for him. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so my friend GARTH just arrived. I just wanted to show you guys how horrible this carpet actually looks underneath. This is obviously cooling or something that fell at the bottom. I do know also that the first owner really liked chocolate as well. So I'm hoping this is actually not chocolate, but yeah, you guys can see how filthy it is. And then GARTH is going to clean it and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Okay guys, so this is the progress with GARTH. As you guys can see, the driver side is actually completely clean, and let me just show you guys, the passenger side is actually very dirty. And let me also show you guys how cool this machine actually works. You guys can see all that filth over there. So this vacuum is actually going to suck everything out, right GARTH?
Yeah, I'll just show you a quick.
So when it squirts like that, what is it actually doing?
Basically your detergents are in there, and you spray it on the carpet. It will obviously, you need to agitate the dirt with either, I have a drill type of scrub brush, because it connects into my cordless drill, I'll agitate the dirt, but this is not as bad. It's easy to
So you
come
mentioned
out.
that this is only surface, right?
Oh, I wouldn't say surface, but it's easy. It comes out easy,
Okay,
as you
cool.
can see there.
So some of it is actually kind
a
of
scrub brush yet.
So some of it is actually kind of deep, right?
Let me just show you what it looks like when you will actually see it go up in here.
Okay, cool. Oh, it's insane actually.
So I'll actually do 2 or 3 passes and yeah, it should be all cleaned up after that.
Okay, cool, perfect.
Okay guys, so while GARTH actually continues, I'm gonna continue with my seat. For you guys that do not know actually what I'm doing to my seat, there was actually a piece of, I would say almost like a spacer type of a thing. So I'm kind of removing that and kind of making the rail a little bit safer as well. My dudes, so it's the morning of Slammed at the Lake. As you guys can see, we're busy with the EG. Well, as Kyle is busy with his S2000 as well. It's my friend GARTH as well. He's just polishing the car up, and then we'll be ready for Slammed at the Lake. Let me just show you guys what the interior looks like. Actually looks very clean now in the daylight. And then this is the prizes that we'll be giving away as well. And then there's a few stickers and banners that I'll be giving away as well. I was actually going to think of taking a lip with like an SIR lip, which is a very common lip, but it was just going to be too big in the car. But yeah, I might just do a giveaway or random giveaway on YouTube as well. So yeah, we're gonna finish up and then I'll catch you guys there.
Oh, alright. You're good.
Okay guys, so the day already started and we pulled up at the garage, and the garage is filled with Metro Police, and this Metro Police actually just told Kyle like if he gets him he's in a, I don't know whatever the case may be, because I think Kyle doesn't have a front plate on. Oh hey brah! Yeah, so it's, the day has already started crazy. I at least have my number plates on, so we'll see how the day goes. My dudes, so I finally arrived to the event. Myself, Kyle and Tyler's actually parking together. I'll show you guys the cars later. This is the event. We're just going for a little bit of a walk. There's a cool car parked over here as well. I think it's on air, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm not quite sure how you would actually go through here. But yeah, I'm not going to film much because obviously there's music playing and obviously I could get copyrighted. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy the event, show you guys a few cinematics, etc., and then maybe try to film a few people that is going to win the giveaways that I'll be giving away as well. So yeah.
Where's the compressor? On that side. Check it out, man.
Oh, someone look like an exhaust, but nah.
So it's the compressor here.
Yeah.
Where's the compressor?
Where's the pump? Under here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought this is the compressor.